was stapled at the seam, just trying to cope. 30 shiny staples and a whole lot of hope. Walk from the office with a rip in my pride, just trying to keep my briefs inside. And Philomena stitched me good as new, with a sigh and a wink. She knew just what to do. She didn't flinch, didn't stare, didn't charge a fee. Said, son, let's set that keister free. Unstaple me slow like a pantsy guru. Then ran that seam right through and through. And Philomena stitched me right on cue. My pants were safe, and my dignity too.
Dear reader, there's a special place in my heart for a man who shows up stapled. Didn't whine, didn't wiggle, just whispered, "Please, ma'am, I have a meeting at 2. An angel client." And that, dear reader, is why I don't keep just thread in my drawer. I keep grace, gumption, and a backup pair of pliers.
She knew just what to do.
Now, there's the type that comes into every seamstress's career when you must choose between your moral compass and the back seam of a stubborn man's trousers. This is that time. This one came to me not once, not twice, but thrice and beyond, begging me to take in the waist. Now I tried, truly, with grace, with patience, with the precision of a surgeon at dawn. But this was a man at war with his own waistband. Every day, a new measurement. Every night, a new pie slice out of his posterior. You'd think I was baking a quiche back there. And just when I said, "Sir, I shall not perform another rearward revision. My bobbin is broken, and so is my spirit," my boss insisted. So I obliged, but not without a stitch of sass. I sewed that man into his trousers. No zipper access, no elastic give. No mercy, and he deserved it. He left satisfied, too satisfied. He said, "Finally perfection," until he tried to get in his car, or use a urinal, or bend at the hip. And that, my friends, is when Philomena Snipwell became the tale whispered across break rooms and men's rooms alike. But wait, there's a twist. Now back to the angel gent, the office park hero. Split his seam from waistband to regret. He walked across the parking lot, stapled into his own dignity. 30 staples, I counted. I spent more time unstapling his behind than sewing it shut. And you know what? He tipped, with a smile. There are angels. And there are pants. And occasionally, there are angels in pants. Be the angel, not the back seam. Yours in love and loose threads. Philomena Snipwell, seamstress emerita of the unraveling arts. Loved today's story? You can download the full kit on PayHip. Get the letter, sewing tips, printable tags, and a retro pattern envelope to fold and glue yourself. And if you want to actually learn the fix I used in today's tale, grab the full how-to tutorial, a la carte, just like in the good old days. All links below. Stitchlings. Stay rad. Oh, and you'll get this rad soundtrack too. Just try not to laugh your you-know-what off.
And a wink, she knew just what to do.